To access American Airlines Lounge, you need to understand the different ways to get lounge access. First, if you are a first or business class passenger, you can access the lounge for free as it is included in your ticket. Another way to access the lounge is by having American Airlines Lounge membership, which can be purchased for a yearly fee. There are different types of membership available, including the Admirals Club membership, which gives you access to over 50 lounges worldwide. You can also get lounge access if you have a certain credit card, such as the Citi Advantage Executive World Elite MasterCard, which gives you Admirals Club Lounge membership as a benefit. Additionally, if you have elite status with American Airlines, such as Executive Platinum, Platinum Pro, or Platinum, you can also access the lounge for free when flying on American Airlines or one of its partners. Once you have determined that you have lounge access, you can find the lounge by looking for the Admirals Club sign at the airport. You will need to present your boarding pass and a government-issued ID to gain entry to the lounge. Inside the lounge, you can enjoy a variety of amenities, including complimentary food and drinks, free Wi-Fi, and comfortable seating. Some lounges also offer additional amenities, such as showers and workstations. It is worth noting that lounge access policies and rules may vary depending on the airport and the type of lounge. It is always a good idea to check with American Airlines before your flight to confirm lounge access and to learn more about the specific amenities and services offered at the lounge you plan to visit.